What's everybody, welcome back to Webinar. Today I'm going to react this video. Let's get started. Wait a minute. Did she just do one that press it? We love multitasking queen. Wait a minute, this sounds live to me. Really? Is this live? Look at her body language. She's really feeling the song. She's really feeling it. She really captures the mood of the song, period. She's really adding her own color to that song. I love that. She can sing. She can sing. She had this song, absolutely. Hey. Okay, she's slay. She's slay. Beautiful cover, really. She make it fresh and beautiful at the same time. By the way, this is the end of my reaction. Bye bye.